Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the school year. I look forward to seeing your faces and getting to know you, and hopefully we'll be in and out of the classroom this fall. Photography is going to be fun. We're going to do a lot of different things, both on the computers and off the computers, so hopefully you'll have a fun time getting out, taking pictures, learning some different skills on how to make your pictures the best that they can be. And you'll be able to use that information and that skill really the rest of your life. So you can see I have the first 2 weeks in Schoology. I tried to give you some information. Each week we'll have a separate folder. And when you go into that week, you'll see a task or a checklist that you can click on. This will kind of give you the task for the week. And I did open everything up until from Monday to Sunday. So you can kind of see here, this is the checklist for the week of September 14th through the 18th. Please notice that all work must be completed by no later than Sunday at 11:59 p.m. So that gives you 7 full days to do the work, and you can see I tried to give you about 2 things to do each day. So not a ton, but enough to kind of get you going and give you some different fun things to do. Notice on Fridays, I'll be available to check in if you want to check in with a Google Meets or email and just answer questions. It's kind of a day for you to get caught up on any work that you were missing. So Friday is kind of a catch-up day for you and a grading day for me. So please make sure to do your work during the time that's allowed. It'll keep you from getting overwhelmed, and it will also allow me to keep the gradebook updated. So here we have the task for Monday, September 14th, the first day of school. I do have some different examples of past students' work that you can see. It's just kind of fun to take a look and see what other students have done in the class. And then I would like you to go through the syllabus. There's a lot of information on the syllabus that you will need to know. And so please walk through that, and I'll walk through that in a different presentation. And there is also a quiz for today. So that's kind of your day for Monday. On Tuesday, I'd like you to write an autobiography, just telling me a little bit about yourself, who you are, a picture of yourself. Notice there is an example here for you as well that you can see, so you can read a little bit about me. And again, I'll have kind of a video tutorial on how to upload pictures from your phone and insert those into your autobiography. And that's for Tuesday. Wednesday of this week, we are going to look at the attributes of great photography and composition, learning what makes a good photograph. And I'll also have you look at some elements of art and principles of design for starting to get into taking some pictures on Thursday. For Thursday, you're going to do a little bit of research, looking at different elements of art and principles of design. And so you'll fill out this Google slide and submit it. And then hopefully you'll have some ideas for starting to take pictures. The first unit you'll take pictures for is the elements of art and principles of design. And you'll understand that more when you do Wednesday's and Thursday's assignment. That's the plan for the week. I hope you are all doing well, and I look forward to getting back into it. Let me know if you have questions. Have a great day.